Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain how you can enable or disable auto detect workouts on your Galaxy Watch 6. Auto detect workout allows the watch to display a prompt when it detects that you are exercising or just finished exercising. You can ignore the prompt or choose to start the corresponding workout. There are two ways to enable or disable auto detect workouts on the Galaxy Watch 6. You can do this from your watch or your connected smartphone. First, I am going to tell you how to turn on or off auto detect workout on your Galaxy Watch 6. Swipe up on your watch face to access the watch apps. Tap on the settings icon. Now scroll to find the health option. Here it is. Tap on it. Next, scroll to auto detect workouts. Here you will see activities to detect. Tap on it. From here, you can turn off or turn on auto detect workouts by tapping on the toggle button. Below this, you can select the activities to detect if auto detect workouts are enabled. You can see that there are 7 activities to detect: walking, running, cycling, elliptical trainer, rowing machine, swimming, and dynamic workout. You can select the individual activity. If you want only walking to be detected through auto detection, then turn on the toggle button in front of walking and turn off the toggle button for other remaining activities. If you enable auto detect workout, then it takes several minutes to detect activity. That's it. Now I am going to tell you how you can turn on or turn off auto detect workout through your Samsung Wearable app. Take your phone and open the Samsung Wearable app. Now tap on Health. On the next screen, you can see the auto detect workout section. Here, tap on Activities to detect. Now, you can turn it off or on by tapping on this toggle button. Below this, select the activity that you want to detect. That's it. This is all that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more smartwatches, tech and tips videos. Also, let us know in the comments if there is anything else you would like us to cover on Galaxy Watch 6. Thanks for watching this video.